I am initializing my leadership identity. I am stepping into my highest masculine expression. I am the architect of my character. I lead with clarity, intention, and purpose. I am dissolving all self-doubt. I am clearing the path toward confidence, decisive leadership. I recognize that inner stability is the foundation of true masculine authority. I am activating my full leadership potential. I am shifting into my highest mode of operation. I am completely at ease as I embody calm, grounded, powerful presence. My mind is becoming sharper and more focused. I am optimizing my leadership instincts. I am imprinting a leader archetype into my subconscious identity. I am moving from hesitation to a state of unstoppable intentional action. I am the standard. I am the example. I am the leader. I am calibrating my leadership presence. I am actively becoming the man I am meant to be. I am the architect of motion. I witness my character strengthen and my vision sharpen. I am dissolving insecurity in real time. The path toward authentic authority is clear. I recognize that my inner resilience is the engine of my outer influence. I am sustaining total leadership alignment. I am locked into my highest identity. I am at peace as I embody deliberate, focused masculine energy. My instincts are sharp and reliable. My leadership decisions flow with natural confidence. I am coding the leader archetype deeper into my subconscious blueprint. I am moving from uncertainty to a state of unstoppable, purposeful direction. I am the standard. I am the vision. I am the optimized leader. I am accelerating my leadership integration. I am perfecting my ability to lead under pressure. I am the architect of my legacy. I direct my energy toward excellence and impact. I am releasing all patterns of passivity. I am stepping fully into decisive masculine action. I recognize that limitless resilience is the core of my leadership authority. I am amplifying my presence. I lead through calm confidence and strategic vision. I thrive as I direct my full focus toward building something meaningful and lasting. My mind is sharp and efficient. I operate with the clarity of a natural-born leader. I am etching the leader archetype into the core of my subconscious identity. I am rising from average performance into a state of infinite leadership potential. I am the vision. I am the power. I am the supreme architect of my life. I am deepening my leadership imprint. I am commanding my inner world with precision. I am the sovereign architect. My character is fully calibrated for maximum impact. I am erasing every trace of self-limitation. My path to leadership is wide and unobstructed. I accept that high-output discipline is the core of my daily reality. I am enforcing total mental clarity. My leadership momentum is now unstoppable. I am transformed as I fully embody the archetype of the grounded, powerful man. My thinking is hyper-focused. My leadership signal is operating at maximum clarity. I am welding the leader archetype into my neural identity. I am surpassing all previous limitations. My leadership resilience is absolute. I am the standard. I am the pressure-tested leader. I am the supreme signal. I have integrated the leadership archetype. My identity as a leader is now optimized. I am the architect who followed through. My character is resilient, efficient, and strong. I have released all patterns of self-doubt. The pathway to authentic leadership is permanently clear. I accept that my mastered leadership baseline is the permanent foundation of my influence. I have secured total inner authority. I am living in peak leadership mode. I am completely revitalized as I maintain this state of grounded, powerful presence. My identity operates with full alignment. I am the embodiment of optimized masculine leadership. I have fused the leader archetype into my permanent subconscious identity. I am ascended from self-limitation to a state of unstoppable purposeful action. The intellect is active. The identity is set. I am the architect. I have verified my leadership integration. My identity as a leader is now a fixed standard. I am the architect of a perfected character. I operate with calm, cool, and deliberate authority. Self-doubt is now obsolete. My leadership presence is a flawless, natural process. I recognize that my masculine authority is now a hard-coded trait within my baseline identity. I have stabilized my total leadership vitality. Peak presence is my new default state. I am internally grounded as I effortlessly embody strong, intentional masculine energy. My identity is permanently upgraded. The signal of leadership flows without conscious effort. I have sealed the leader archetype into my permanent expression and daily behavior. I am the master of consistent discipline action. My leadership stability is irreversible. The system is stable. The identity is clear. I am the architect. The integration is complete. My leadership identity is flawless and absolute. I am the sovereign architect. My character and presence are permanently upgraded. Self-limitation is non-existent. Disciplined leadership is the law of my life. Masculine integrity is my nature. Calm authority is my natural state. Purposeful action is my baseline. Leadership excellence is my advantage. I am the absolute master of my own development. I am balanced, potent, and purposeful. The flow of intentional energy is unrestricted. I am hyper-focused and naturally dominant. The leadership baseline is locked into the core of my existence. I am the upgrade. My leadership identity is unstoppable and enduring. I am the example. I am the standard. I am the architect of my legacy.